Do you get confused when you try to use was, did, and had in English? Have you ever stopped in the middle of a sentence because you weren't sure which one was correct? Maybe you said something like, did you went? Or, did you had? And then immediately felt unsure. Well, if that sounds familiar, don't worry. You're definitely not alone. This is one of the most common problems English learners face, and today we're going to fix it in a very simple way. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Fluent English Studio, the place where you learn real English in a simple, clear, and practical way. In this lesson, you're going to finally understand the difference between was, did, and had, not by memorizing rules, but by using logic that actually makes sense. So by the end of this lesson, you'll be able to speak about the past more naturally and more confidently. All right, let's begin with did. We use did when we talk about actions in the past. For example, I watched a film yesterday. That's a simple past action. But when we ask a question, we say, did you watch a film? Now here's the key idea. After did, we always use the base form of the verb. So we say, did you go? Not, did you went? And not, did you had yes? It might feel a bit strange at first, but this is very important. Think of did as the boss of the sentence. When did is there, it controls the verb, and the verb must stay in its base form. Now let's move on to was and were. We use was and were when we describe something in the past. This includes feelings, situations, and states. For example, I was tired yesterday, or the weather was lovely, or even, we were at home last night. So here we are not talking about actions. We are describing a situation. And this is something you'll hear very often in everyday British English. Now, let's talk about had. We use had in two main ways. First, for possession in the past. For example, I had a car a few years ago. Second, we use had when we talk about something that happened before another action in the past. For example, I had finished my work before I went out. So here, finishing the work happened first, and going out happened later. This is what we call the earlier past. Now let's combine everything together so it feels natural. I was very tired, so I didn't go out. Or I had a very long day, and I was completely exhausted. Or even, did you finish your work? Or were you too busy? Now you can see how these forms work together in real conversation. So let me give you a very simple rule to remember. Did is for actions. Was and were are for descriptions. Had is for possession or something earlier in the past. That's it. No complicated rules. Just clear meaning. Now it's your turn. Write 3 sentences is the comments. One with did, one with was, and one with had. Try to make them about your real life. I'll read your sentences and help you improve. Keep practicing every day. And remember, fluency comes from practice, not perfection. See you in the next lesson.